had crack that was running just underneath the edge of this picture rail and pot shelf on top there, but I didn't want to use any coloured filler, so I just mixed up some polyfiller. Very easy to do. Don't be afraid of it going on the wood. As long as you've stained the wood beforehand, then all you need to do is with a damp cloth wipe the polyfiller away, which will just neaten it up a bit. How easy that comes off there. It gives you better edge, but you can see how it's looking a bit rough there. That's where I wiped up to. Then take your stain. On this side you can see I've already added some stain to it, and already it's looking sound. You can see where I've gone to if I drop down here. So that's where my stain is at the moment. This is, again, it's only powder filler that I've mixed up and just rubbed into the gap. But then once it's dry, wipe it back and use your stain over it. I mean, again, I'm going to emulsion this wall, so then that edge will square up. Again, underneath the picture rail here, you can see that I've already stained this just the underneath of the bracket. So that's where the stain is up to. So remembering that this will stain, I'll just show you a quick demonstration on this little bit here. So just get your stain brush. I'm just using my fitch here. I'm only doing the edge, and just run your stain. Probably maybe give it 2 coats. And that's the first coat of emulsion on. You see now that that edge is looking a lot better. So it's not all the time you need to use specialised fillers. That's took that really well actually. Sorted.